The Army Cadet College ACC wing at Indian Military Academy provides training to the soldier, airmen and sailors from the regular Army, Navy and Air Force for commission as officers in the Indian Army. The ACC is also known as the Siachen Battalion now. Hey friends, this is Lakshmika and you're watching Defense Geek. Without wasting any time, let's begin. ACC is located in Dehradun, India. The total duration of ACC is 4 years of training, which includes 3 years of ACC training and 1 year of pre-commission training at the IMA, that is Indian Military Academy, located at Dehradun. The training of ACC is similar to that of NDA, National Defence Academy. In both of these institutes, you get a science and humanities degree after successful completion of 3 years training. The notification of ACC is released 2 times every year, that is in March and August, with an approximate of 75 vacancies. Let's talk about the eligibility criteria of ACC. Age limit is from 20 to 27 years. Both married and unmarried candidates are eligible. Only men are eligible. Coming to the educational qualification, 10+2 or any equivalent is required. So after applying to ACC, you have to attempt the written examination conducted by the Military Training Directorate, which consists of 4 papers known as Paper 1, Paper 2, Paper 3 and Paper 4. Paper 1 is General Mental Ability Test. This paper duration is 3 hours and consists of 150 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. The syllabus of Paper 1 is Reasoning Ability Verbal of 75 questions, Non-verbal Reasoning of 15 questions and Numerical Ability of 60 questions. Paper 2 is Current and General Awareness. This paper duration is also 3 hours and consists of 150 questions. Each question carries 2 marks and total marks are 300. Paper 3 is Interactive Communicative English. This paper duration is 3 hours and is partially objective. That means in paper 3 you will have 120 objective questions. That means in paper 3 you will have 120 objective questions, that is MCQs, multi-choice questions and 180 descriptive type questions. By the way, all the other papers, that is paper 1, 2 and 4 are completely objective. Paper 4 is Academic Content Test. This paper have 3 sections, 50 questions of mathematics, 50 questions of general science and 50 questions of humanities. Each question carries 2 marks with a total of 300 marks. After clearing the written exam, you will be called for SSB interview, which is a 5-day interview process. If you don't know about SSB interview, you can watch the video given below in the description. So after getting recommended by the board of SSB, you will be called for medical examination and finally the shortlisting of candidates is done through their merit and vacancies, and you will receive a joining letter at the end. So friends, that's all for today. If you have any doubts, please comment below and do share the video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe Defense Geek. Jai Hind.